Hey there, ladies Off-Road Network. I'm Randall Spear, Motorsports Manager for Dana Incorporated. Charlene caught up with me out here at King of the Hammers in Johnson Valley, California, where a lot of people are running some pretty tough trails. The success to running a trail is having the right parts, having the best parts. So today we're going to talk about U-joints. Back in 1904, Clarence Spicer patented the first U-joint. It was a revolution in the automotive industry, and it moved us away from the chain and sprocket to propel automobiles down the road. We're still using U-joints today. Have one right here. There's two types of U-joints that Spicer produces. We have a 10 series U-joint that is greasable. So there's grease passages that run through the body so that the grease can go out to the cups where the needle bearings are, okay? Our SPL or Spicer Life series is a non-greasable joint. It's got a solid body, it's cold formed, so that makes it tougher, more durable than our greasable joints. There'll be a Zerk fitting probably in the side or in the cap that you'll see. There'll be a hole. You actually squirt grease into it and purge it, okay? But the SPL doesn't have those features. It doesn't need them. Technology has come a long way, and even in U-joints there's a lot of technology. Out here we have a precision ground trunnion. This is where the little needle bearings run. There's a bunch of little needle bearings inside there. They're precision ground as well. There's a little cap. There's a little bitty spot here for the grease. That's all the grease that this is going to need for the life of the joint. There's a thrust washer here. This is a unique feature to our joints. It keeps from metal to metal contact from happening between the cap and the trunnion. And it also circulates the grease, lowering the operating temperature of the joint while you're using it. The other thing on the SPL that makes it a step above is a triple lip seal. Okay, so that keeps the grease in and keeps the contaminants out. Okay, so water and dirt can't get in here and, you know, wear out the bearings, cause a failure. All right, the cups are case hardened. Okay, so they're very tough and durable as well. And we put it to the test. So recently we tested our joints against alternatives out there, just to see how good our joints really were. And the test results are pretty remarkable, right? Here you can see that there's two red bars, and this is a 10 series joint, the greasable, and this is our Spicer Life, the non-greasable. And as you can tell, the non-greasable joints are so much more durable than even our greasable ones, right? So this is just a technology gap, right? This is the improvements in the design of the U-joint that we've been able to develop over the past 120 years, right? So when you're on the trail, be sure to use the best, okay? That'll make sure that you have a good time, you get back to camp and celebrate with your friends. So be safe on the trail, and hopefully we'll see you out there one day.